Hello kids! Today we are going to see how to draw and color a Jurassic World dinosaur. Come, let's start. First draw a alphabet V for dinosaur face. Now draw two parallel standing lines for the front leg. Now draw down curve for tummy. Two parallel curves for the backside leg. Then draw two curves like alphabet C that should end with sharp edge. At the end of the tail, draw cone spikes. Now draw third leg. Draw diamond-shaped spikes on top of the body in a different sizes one by one, starting from small size to big size. And again complete that with small sizes of diamond. Now complete the curve to the neck part. Draw an eye. Draw fourth leg. Now for the ground, draw a sleeping lamb. Draw grass by using U shape and sharp cones. Draw stones. Now we are going to draw a tree by using two parallel lines, and for bushes, draw zigzag curves. On another side, draw a mountain. Let's start coloring. Dark green. I'm using oil pastel color. Light green. Green color. Brown color. Light brown color. Dark green. Dark brown color. Now, black color for the boundary. That's it. See, it's very simple. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw and color a different type of balls. See you.